In this example, we're going to use Simpson's rule. You also want to know how to do trapezoidal rule, but we're just going to show one example here. So n equals 4, and we're looking for the integral from 2 to 3 of 1 over x minus 1 squared. So the first thing I like to do, n equals 4, we want to find delta x. And that's going to be b minus a over n, or 1/4. Now I like seeing a little bit of the graph here. Looks kind of like this. And if we go from 2 to 3, it'll start off with 2 here and go to 3. We want to split this into 4 equal subintervals. And we know delta x is 1/4. So if this is 2, that really equals 8/4. And so this is going to be 9/4 and 10/4, 11/4, and then 3 is 12/4. Okay, so these are going to be our x values right here. And let's go ahead and apply Simpson's rule. So the approximation is going to be b minus a, now over 3 times n. And then it's going to be f of 2. So 1 over 2 minus 1 squared. And we're going to follow the coefficient pattern of 4. It's going to be 1 over, well, my next x value of 9/4. So 9/4 minus 1 squared. And then the next coefficient will be 2. We plug in our next x value, which is 1/4 more. So 10/4 minus 1 squared. And then back to 4. So you can see the coefficient pattern alternates 4 to 4. And it's going to be 1 over, well, 1/4 more than 10/4, so 11/4 minus 1 squared. And then for our final interval, we're back to the coefficient of 1. So we're going to have 1 over, and we can do 3 minus 1 squared. All right, so you're just going to have to be careful typing this into your calculator. And when you do, you should get about 0.5004. And when you do this, don't evaluate these individually and round them. You just want to type this whole thing in all at once.